how to clear storage on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for run and then click enter. After that, we're going to type clean mgr and then click OK. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just look for the files that we want to delete. So that would be the temporary files, of course, and then recycle bin if you want to, temporary files, and then of course thumbnails. So just choose which files you want to delete right here. And then once you're now done with this, just click on OK and then click delete files. After that, once you're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do right here is to once again go here on the search bar and then search for run. After that, click enter. And then in this part, just type appwiz.cpl and then click on OK. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just look for any program that we are not using and then of course uninstall it. Let's say for example that we don't usually use this. So what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click uninstall. After that, once you uninstall it, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for settings and then click enter. Once you click enter, go here on the system and then go here on the storage. And then in this storage, make sure that you turn on storage sense, which is right here. So if you look right here, also configure cleanup schedules for every day. And then for the deleted files, make sure that it is set on 30 days. And then if you want to run storage sense now, it's up to you. So once you open it, once you turn it on, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar once again and then search for run. And then we're going to type temp and then click OK. And then what we're going to do is to select them all and then click the delete button right here and then click skip right there. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to search for run again and then click OK. And then this time, we're going to put percentage on at the beginning and then the end of temp and then click OK. Once you do that, we're going to delete them all once again. So click delete and then click skip. Once you do that, the last thing that we can do is to go here again on the search bar, search for run, and then type prefetch and then click enter. After that, just select them all once again and then click delete and then click skip. And then after that, that should be it. That is how easy it is. That is how to clear storage on Windows 11.